Do you also use robots where there is no safety fence separating the operator from the application? Optoelectronic sensors are mostly used for safe, productive implementation. Do you also recognize the challenge in areas where dust, dirt, and sparks occur? How can you safeguard robots when light barriers or laser scanners reach their limits? The Safe Radar system, ZenRadar, and Safety Relay MyPNOTs or Small Controller PNOTs Multi provide robot safeguarding up to Category 3 PLD of IN ISO 13849/1. This complete solution is used for access guarding and rear access protection. This means the machine is prevented from restarting if there is anyone in the danger zone. Up to 6 radar sensors can be connected in series. Units operate without interference even when protective zones overlap. With the new self-teaching background function, changes can be made inside the warning or protection zone during operation without requiring a new configuration. Use the complete radar solution package for each robot, including risk assessment, system implementation, and declaration of conformity. One-stop shop. Just talk to us.